just went hands down the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. I'm super excited about these cool colors. I love the hazel and the lemongrass, but it's a little noisy inside of this little event space, so let's go outside and talk about it. First and foremost, let's talk about the Pixel 7. I only touched the Pixel 6 for the first time this week, and I was quite surprised by the Pixel 7. It feels more premium. The most important thing is that it's lighter. It's so much lighter than the Pixel 6, and I think that's pretty great in terms of people who want a smaller phone. They want a lighter phone too, right? So it only makes sense that Google did that. Design-wise, the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro from the front look the same, but at the back, it has a striking new visor with an aluminum finish. The aluminum finish on the Pixel 7 is more matted, whereas the aluminum finish on the Pixel 7 Pro is more of a glossier texture. Pixel 7 Pro and 7 both have a glossy back, which I actually think makes phones look less premium, like the newest iPhones and newest S22 Ultra. They have a little more of a matte finish, which I prefer, but hey, you win some and lose some. For the actual cameras, let's talk about the 7 Pro. I was really excited to try out the 5 times and kind of up to 30 times zoom, but the event space wasn't actually conducive for that experience, so I'll have to go a lot more deeper into that in my review. I did try out the macro camera, and when you get close to the subject, the phone naturally just kind of goes into macro mode, which I thought was pretty cool, and it looks pretty great. I'm also looking forward to trying out photo on blur. I really couldn't try that out at the event. And a real tone in a better lighting situation. The pictures I did take at the event weren't the greatest. I was hoping that they'd look cooler or look more polished than the Pixel 6 Pro, but that wasn't really the case. But the light in there, the lighting situation, the whole experience wasn't really the greatest for testing out of camera experiences. The device features 12 gigabytes of RAM, the Tensor G2 chip, and a 5,000 milliamp battery. Google is kind of pushing that 5,000 milliamp battery, saying that it can last 72 hours with extreme battery saver on. Who really wants to keep extreme battery saver on though? I don't know, it's not for me. But naturally it can last 24 hours, which is pretty solid, and I don't know, I'll put it through its paces and see how it does in my review. There's a whole lot more we can talk about Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro. Keep an eye out for John's review for the Pixel 7 and my review for the Pixel 7 Pro, which should be coming up fairly soon. If we already enticed you to get either devices though, the Pixel 7 costs $799 in Canada and the Pixel 7 Pro costs $1179 in Canada, and they're both available to pre-order now, and you can buy them on October 13th.